Hi everyone, Daisy here sharing my September cardstock warehouse project. Today I created a mini album and I actually created this cut file and we are working hard to try to be able to share it with you on the blog. So check it out there. We're having a couple of issues because, well, basically I don't own the business version of Silhouette, so I can't save things properly. And yeah, anyway, so we're trying to make this available to you, and as soon as we can, we will have it up on the blog. If you are a Silhouette user and you would like this file, you can leave a comment down below and I can send it to you as a Silhouette file. But yeah, so anyhow, this is my son is in 12th grade this year, and so I wanted to do, everybody has all these school photos from their kids from the time basically they're in like pre-K all the way through to 12th grade, and I don't know about you, but I rarely do anything with them. We don't send a lot of them out anymore because with like social media and the internet and everything, like, I don't know, we just don't mail things out very often. So I have tons of these. So I wanted to have a way to kind of showcase his journey through school. And so this is what I came up with. I am missing a couple of pictures because I have a couple that I only have 8x10 size. I can't find the little ones, and we misplaced one of them. Excuse me. And then his senior ones we haven't finalized yet. So anyhow, this is the title page, and this is just basically a 4x6 size. And I used a font on my computer and cut out School Days. This is just a bunch of tags. The embellishments are all just random from my from my stash. A bunch of stickers and tags and die cuts and things like that. So all of the pattern papers I'm using are from Bella Boulevard. Yeah, and I'll let you know if anything else comes up. So I just did this as the title page, and then just put this on the background to cover up the back side of these backing papers. So slide that over there. So the first page is pre-K. I did have his picture from that. Just use, again, these might not necessarily really have a whole lot to do with like the picture or anything, but I just wanted to do really cute kind of mini books. So I have dinosaurs because he did like dinosaurs at the time, and a little "Here we go" sticker with some foil, and then this pre-K I backed with some pop tone papers. I believe this is green apple and this is cherry, red cherry, something. And then you flip this down, so you're going to see the back side of this. So you want to do a good job of like cutting this out. I just did a pattern paper background. The whole book is made out of the Sweet Tooth paper. It's my favorite kind of go-to white cardstock. It's like 100 pounds, so it's very sturdy. And I think it will hold up well to, flipping the pages and flipping this part down. So I have a picture of him from pre-K. I am going to be including some journaling, which I didn't want on my video. But just like what school he was in, what year it was, his teacher's name, which surprisingly I have for most of his years, and anything special that was going on at the time. So the back side of these I did leave blank. You could definitely decorate these, add some fun pattern paper, but I was fine with leaving it blank and was actually considering doing the journaling back here, but I haven't 100% decided about that. So kindergarten, again, this is the is it lemon or banana split? But it's Pop-Tone paper. It's all Pop-Tone. So again, this is where I hadn't realized that, you know, you're going to see this. So I want to do a good job cutting this out. But yeah, I do have different size photos because some of them I have wallet size and some of them I have the like 3x4 size. It just depended on what I had, and I figured it doesn't really matter from page to page. So just included some space things, and then again I'm going to be doing some journaling. So I have his information written on the back of the paper, so I haven't actually like stuck this down, or some of them I stuck down with like a tiny bit of ATG so I can pull it up really easy to get that information if I need to. So first grade, again, this is one of the bigger sizes because I didn't have a wallet size for him. Second grade, third grade, and some of these things are random. And I just wanted to get them used up. But this is where I started realizing, oh, I need to make this part look pretty too. So must not have turned off my autofocus, so I apologize. Fourth grade. So fifth and sixth grade are two that I have to get the photo for, because I only have the 8x10. I can't find the smaller ones. And you could really like have fun with this. This could work for like, you could use it for 12 days of Christmas or 12 days of Halloween, because it has all of these numbers. And these are just a font, again, off my computer. And I just kind of created this mini album with the holes. And I also had created so you could cut out the pattern paper using your cutting machine as well. 8th grade. But anything that you have that you would use numbers for, you could use this for birthdays. It doesn't have to be school stuff. I just know that for me, school pictures are something I struggle, that I have a lot, of, and I don't use very often, so I thought it would be perfect. So 10th through 12th grade, I don't have pictures on here, but I have like the car stuff for here because this is the grade that he got his license. These are the ones we can't find. I don't know what happened to them, so I'm a little disappointed, but hopefully we'll be able to, they'll turn up. So, and then 12th grade. So again, just use stickers and, whatever I had kind of laying around in my stash to really decorate these up. So like I said, we are trying to get the cut file available to you. If you are interested in the silhouette version, so the silhouette or the studio version of the cut file, I have that. I can send that to you. We're working on getting a PNG file so that everybody can have it. But unfortunately, like I said, it's a little bit of a struggle. Because it's my first cut file that I designed that I wanted to share with people and didn't know that there's certain rules. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Head on over to the blog for links to all the paper that I used. And then also that's where you would find link to the cut file if we figure it out and can make it available to you. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you again next time. Bye.